Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the car and removing the wheel. This prevents movement and gives clear access. Use the valve core tool to remove the core and let the tire deflate completely so the bead can drop. Once done, loosen the retaining nut with a 7/16 wrench and grip the old metal stem with pliers. You work deliberately because forcing parts can nick the rim. Keeping the area clean reduces contamination that makes a replacement harder later. Now you break the bead and push the tire inward enough to access the rim seat. This relaxes pressure and lets you remove the stem. Carefully twist and pull the corroded metal stem out. Inspect the valve hole for burrs or rust that could prevent sealing. Once you clean the hole and smooth edges, apply a thin lubricant to the replacement stem base so it seats evenly. This ensures the stem will slide into place without tearing the rubber bead. You insert the new metal valve stem from inside the rim and pull until the rubber gasket compresses evenly. That compression creates the airtight seal. Next, reinstall the valve core and inflate the tire to the manufacturer's pressure, listening and using soapy water to check for leaks. Make sure to torque the retaining nut to spec if applicable, remount the wheel, and lower the vehicle. If you still hear hissing, recheck seat and gasket. Sometimes small debris prevents a seal. Clean and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.